I'm Leslie from Heffy Doodle and I'm here today to tell you about a very special new product that we have in the Heffy Doodle store. Now this is limited edition, there's only limited quantities, so you want to snap it up fast, but let me introduce you guys to the creative genius behind this idea. Hello.
Hi.
Tell everybody what your name is, how old you are and what the new product is.
I am Piper. This is my mum. And I am 9 years old. And the new product is
Da, 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 da.
a card kit.
A card kit, yeah. And you came up with the idea for this card kit. So a couple of weeks ago at the start of isolation, Piper and I made a collection of cards and we gave them to a local charity that was helping support people who were feeling lonely or isolated throughout COVID. And we got loads of responses, didn't we?
Loads.
And some people wanted to make cards too, maybe to send to grandparents or neighbours. So Piper thought, I know.
I got it. Let's make a card kit.
So let's tell everybody what's in the card kit and then we'll tell everybody what's so special about it. So there's 5 card blanks.
And 5 envelopes.
And 5 envelopes. We've also put in some coloured cardstock.
4 different colours.
And you picked those colours yourself, didn't you? We've printed some sentiments for you. And what else is there in there?
There's also
About the images.
there's printed images and so the printed images are also pre-coloured.
That's right. So you just have to cut them out and stick them on.
But if you personally want to colour them in to add your own touch to it, then there is the same images but just stamped on alcohol-friendly card. So if you've got Copics, then you can use it on there.
Yes, that's right. And those images are what kind of images?
Heffy Doodle.
We've also included a couple of stickers. So there's 5 stickers. What do that say? What do they say?
Handmade by. And then, so what you do, card, back of the card, and then you take your stick it on there, and write your name underneath.
That's right, because you should always make sure you should be proud of your work, huh?
This is by me!
We've also included some glue dots and some 3D foam squares so you can add some dimension to your card. And what about the little bag? What's in the bag?
There's a little bag of sequins.
And Piper personally mixed those sequins herself. She put together lots of colours to make a beautiful collection. And what's the one special thing that you just had to have in the card kit?
Action wobblers!
What's that?
Well, an action wobbler is basically my card. You're on the front of your card. This is the front. You take your action wobbler. You stick one side to the card and the other side to an image. Pull back the image and then
Wobble, 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 wobble. It's really, really fun.
Really fun.
So how many cards could you make with this kit?
5.
At least 5, because even when you've made those 5, you'll still have lots of images left over that you could put on other projects.
Lots.
So what's so special about this card kit? How much is it? How many are there? And what's going to happen to the money?
There are 20, only 20.
Just 20? Piper made 20 card kits. And how much are they?
£5. Which is actually £1 per card minimum. And so basically 5 times 20 is 100. £100.
£100? What are you going to do with £100?
I don't have £100.
What's going to happen to the £100?
So if we sell them all, then we'll get £100. And half is 50. So we're going to give £50 if we sell them all to the NHS, so half. And then the other half to my local food bank. So every single penny that you spend on these card kits will be donated to a good cause.
Absolutely. And that was your choice, wasn't it? So you guys, you better want to go over to the Heffy Doodle store and click buy now and get yourself a card kit. Maybe you're already a card maker and you want to have this. Who is this great for?
Anyone.
Anyone.
It's good for children, it's good for adults, it's good for starting, it's good for finishing.
That's right. All you need really is a pair of scissors and you can get to work.
And probably somewhere to do it.
And a table.
Yeah.
So let's show people a couple of card examples that you made so that they can see the kind of cards that they can make with the kit. Okay, what's this one?
Number 1. Thinking of you. With a croc and a bear.
Next up.
Sending hugs. Bear is ready to hug.
His arms open, huh?
And 4 different colours. Next is yay.
Yay.
Yay. With 2 adorable little mice. A leprechaun who will bring you luck. And coloured card.
That's right. And this one?
Hello. It's pretty basic, but great for literally anyone. With 2 little adorable bunnies.
And what about this guy?
This is the most fun. Look, you ready? Action. Whoa!
Is that your favourite one?
Probably.
So here's just some ideas of the kind of cards that you could make with this card kit. But you'll also have lots left over to make lots more.
Loads.
So grab Piper's charity card making kit while stocks last.
Quickly! Run!